Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working on a project in Canva and wondered, wait, how big is my design anyway? You're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process for checking the exact size of your design in Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find those crucial dimensions, so you can make sure your work turns out just as you imagined, whether you're printing a card, sharing it online, or working on any kind of visual project. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Canva. If you're new to it, that just means heading to Canva.com in your browser. Once you land on the homepage, look for the big Create button. That's your starting point for any new design. Click that and you'll see a bunch of different options pop up. For today's example, we're going to use the photo editor. It's a great way to jump into Canva's design tools quickly. So from the choices, simply select Photo Editor. Now in the search bar or the template picker, type the word card. This could be any kind of card, birthday card, thank you note, invitation. It doesn't really matter for this tutorial. The main thing is that you're starting from a template, which Canva makes super easy. Scroll through the options and pick any template that stands out to you just so you have something on your workspace. Once your design loads up, here comes the part that really gets to the heart of today's question. You want to find out what exactly is the size of this design. Sometimes knowing the dimensions is key. Maybe you're printing physical cards and need to make sure they fit into envelopes, or you're uploading an image somewhere that has size restrictions. To check this, look towards the top left corner of the Canva editor, right near where the title of your project appears. There's a menu labeled File. Go ahead and click that. Don't worry, it won't change or mess up your project. It's just for settings and information. Once you open that menu, you'll see all sorts of options, but the one you want is right below your project's title. There it is, the size of the design displayed in pixels. For example, you might see something like 1050 x 750 px. That's the width and height of your design side by side. Now, if you're ever curious, you've got another way to double check or even adjust your size. Right next to the File menu, you'll spot a button labeled Resize. Click on that and Canva will again show you the current dimensions. What's nice about this is not only can you confirm your current size, but if you need to tweak it or adapt your design to a different format, you can do it all from here. And that's really it, a few quick clicks and you know exactly how big your design is. It might seem like a small detail, but knowing your dimensions can save lots of headaches, especially when it comes to printing or posting on social media where size matters. If this video helped you out, let me know by hitting the like button. Every thumbs up supports the channel. If you have questions about Canva or want to suggest another tutorial, drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new how-to. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.